Do you have me? Are you filming me?
Yeah.
Are you filming right now? I feel violated.
Down one in here, okay? Whoa, those are cool. That's kind of cool.
Cool. Here, Colin, let's slide over this way. Oh, that's a cool box. What about these little pictures? These do good.
I think Mom would go crazy if she saw that.
It's an alarm clock. Okay, which one did you pick up? Let me see. The owl?
Yeah.
Okay. I got these
Oh, cute.
little
Okay.
ones.
Yeah, we'll have to,
Look at that wicker chest.
I need to put it. I need to put
Yeah, we can put that in there.
Yeah, because it actually fits me well.
Okay, don't grab any more, okay? Thank you. Okay. I'm looking at those, but I'm not wowed. What's that? Nice.
we'll find because it's fun.
Oh, nice, dude. You gonna put it in the bag?
Sure.
Shoes, nope. Shirts.
Okay.
You feel good?
I think so.
I looked quickly through the men's large shirts.
I did not realize that we had clothes.
No, I did just to see, and it was all new. I saw them and I was like,
I think so. Alright, do you want to go over what we have real quick?
nah,
Yeah, they got the
get it. That's a big old box.
That is, oh my goodness gracious. Okay, we got this
Okay,
picture.
hold on, let me.
Alright, we got two big old Christmas candlesticks.
Okay.
Let's see,
Anything to drink with that?
Oh, I got a drink, Joe. I'll give it to you in a minute.
funky little wooden
Okay.
guys.
We know where you are.
Okay. You don't have to pull it. Let me.
Four of
Okay.
these things.
All right.
You got more.
You just want to pull it over here and I can look in. You don't have to pull it all out.
I bought it.
Pictures.
Okay.
I just
Wooden
bought it.
figures.
Do you have me? Are you filming me?
Yeah.
Are you filming me right now? I feel violated.
Uh-oh.
I'm sorry.
Ask her if you have her permission.
Do
Or
I
we'll
have
just
your
put a big blurry face in.
I do it to my son all the time. I was like, stop videoing me. And he's like, wow. I was like, I feel violated.
$10.
That's insane. I mean, I remember them being cheap. I don't remember it being that cheap.
That's
That's
crazy.
insane.
Boom, boom. Sure. Okay.
Come on, Eddie.
You can go pet him, Eddie. You can go pet him. Oh, I need to go with you? Come on. There. Reach in there. Look. Yeah. He's licking you.
Look at that.
Eddie's so cute, Addie. What's that? It hurts.
That's right. You carry them.
It carry them. They're crying.
I know.
Baby Yoda. Whoa. These are cool. Easy.
Look at that.
Hello, kitty. How much you have on this? 5. Oh, and the pheasants too.
What do you, yeah. You should have to get that.
That's
Those are
5
nice.
a piece on these.
Those are nice.
They just need the little. That one's got it.
Oh, okay.
This one just needs one. And then these for $1.50.
Oh, cute, yeah.
Okay, you want to get these?
Yeah. You know how to clean the cloth stuff? Like, is there like a special remedy?
do
Okay. I have some of my grandma's, and it's like,
These remind me of my grandma.
yeah, and I want to clean them, but I'm like, I don't know how to do this. Yeah.
No, we try to YouTube everything.
Uh-huh.
Or TikTok it. We're like, how did somebody do this?
Yeah,
and then I read all the
there's gotta be a
comments
way,
to go,
right?
were they successful? You know?
Well, I mean, like, you know, they did it back in the day, right? Our grandma
Oh, yeah.
just can't tell us anymore. Right, right.
Oh yeah. The buzz. $1?
Yeah, I don't know if it's $1 for, like, each, maybe.
I'll go ask, because it's still worth it.
Okay.
What's
Here, you
that?
may carry something? She wants 10 each on them. It's a father and mother.
Yeah.
Hey, a cute little set.
Yeah, I think she's at 5 each on those.
Okay.
Or do you want to carry
A little bit.
this and those two?
Mm-hmm. Little ABCs. It's cute.
Let's see what's on the front table.
Were these $1 a piece for these, or was it $1 for all of them?
What they're doing on there, these are 5 a piece.
5 a piece. Okay. Do you still want all of them, or what do you think?
Yeah, I
It's up to you.
gotta check.
Okay. Well, you said 5 a piece on these, right?
Yeah, these are 5 a piece.
Okay, so that's 10, 13.
Let me see. Okay, I'll do 4 pieces. They're good.
So what were we at?
We were at
Wait,
13.
It's 16. Then I'll let you have a piece.
13, 6.
So that'll be instead of being 20, it'll be 16.
Let me hold your jacket.
Because what were we at?
We're at 13.
You at 13.
13.
What I said, 4, 8, 12, 16.
Okay.
That'll be 29.
Okay.
29.
I do cash app as well.
I think
We
we
should
got some
have cash.
You've got $1 back.
Don't they look pretty cool?
Yes, it's
The buzz.
Thank you so
I
much.
had a whole lot of those.
Really?
And I went down to South Hill, did a young fair.
Oh,
And the guy bought all of them that I had. Then he told me that they go in the woods and put them on the
It's
tree.
disc golf, yeah.
Uh-huh.
I play disc golf.
Yeah, they like throw them in baskets and
Yeah.
stuff.
Yeah, that's what he told
Yeah.
me.
Singles, doubles, triples, dingers,
I'm not this smart and still hit.
dingers. I'm a PO, but I still hit dingers. 3-0 count, but I still hit a dingers. I'm a redhead, but I still hit dingers. Coach give me bump, but I still hit dingers.
Do you want another bag to put those in, or you okay with that?
I can hold these if we're good.
Well, no, if we still gotta walk
Oh,
around.
okay, sure.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, we had a bag in the car and we left it.
Is that right there?
Yeah, it's interesting.
Plastic.
Plastic.
Oh, one's missing. Well, here, give me those. I'll put these in the car. Let's go downstairs and look inside. Boom, boom, boom. Excuse. Oh, I'm sorry. No, you're good.
Excuse me.
Anything right there?
Oh.
Oh, wow. Yeah, honey. Come here, stay right here with me. Dad found some books.
And this. I just found this.
A sonnet. Mm-hmm.
That's the slime slime.
Books.
10 for a dollar.
10. Wow.
I'll take
You just go ahead and.
Watch out, please. Hey, they got Cat Kid.
Oh, uh-huh. Yep, I think we've read all those, huh, bud?
Wait.
Or is there ones you haven't seen? Hold on. Let Dad grab the ones he's looking at right here, and then you can get in there and look, okay, bud?
That one's a little torn, but we took.
Was it? How many are you at?
I think Addie would also like doggy.
Probably when she gets older.
This is kind of hard.
9.
9. Well,
I'm gonna look
Has
down.
9 spikes.
see if there's any hide-in, and
Or do
then
you see any of the book series? As we've done before.
nothing is
Jumping out at you.
jumping out at me.
Rardan and the Sea of Monsters, Percy Jackson.
Oh yeah, have you read that one, bud?
Yeah.
You have.
I think our series, remember?
Well,
Oh,
look up
uh-huh.
here, Tom. There's a bunch.
Yeah. Did you look in this room in here, babe, already?
Yeah, you can
did?
go look.
Well,
Mom.
you want me to?
Mom, let's go outside.
Follow Daddy.
Look, I'm gonna go at the toy.
Okay, well, I think the checkout is by the toys, so we can peek at those. Watch out,
Those
honey.
on the way out.
Little. That's a cute one.
Walk around first.
Look, it's a chicken.
I know.
Alrighty. Addie, you want to come look at the toys while Daddy's checking out? Okay.
All those books, dear. $1.
$1. That's crazy. The
So-
deals are dealing today,
So
man.
we spent what, $30 at that one lady, and
Yeah.
then the other two places we've spent $11.
Yeah, that's wild.
I know. It's a good day. You see a shelf that looks interesting? A shelf?
Art shelf?
Yep. Oh, it needs a little bit of.
It just kind of popped right back in.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Yes, ma'am.
Anybody know where the
You have a good day.
no shit. That's my wife down there. Yes, ma'am.
Well, hey, stranger.
Hi, how are you?
How's life been?
Good, good.
The heart shelf. What's that going for?
What is it?
The shelf out front.
That is for their tent over there.
Oh.
Make us an offer.
Okay.
Yeah.
$3.
That's fine.
Okay. I was like, it needs a little bit of.
the proceeds.
Oh yeah.
Kind of like a shelf set.
How you doing?
This is cool. Online therapy. That therapy, that's what it is.
That's why she gave the kids the other day.
Okay.
Live like I am.
And nobody knows online. Well, it's not all online stuff, but it's just that their hearts will be waxed cold. Where'd the black bag go? Over there. Oh, yeah. Okay. She can pick up.
I gotta know what's out there so I can go tell the ladies who are drinking tea. Look, the other lady's got shoes in the corner over there too. I just bought them here. Hi.
Hey, how's it going? How much on your movies?
Name me enough.
I don't know. Do $1 a piece?
Not with me.
Say get them going.
I want to take them home.
You got change for a $5.
Yep. How many did you get?
2. How much on the vest?
Jack, how much on the vest?
20 on the vest. What about the jacket?
No.
No.
This is the rain jacket.
Hey, honey. Is that $20?
Huh?
$20. I like that one too.
It's a ladies.
Mm-hmm. I was looking at the rain jacket too, but yeah, I like that. All right, here you go.
Something.
We'll get the vest.
Thank you, sir. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
What's your find, dear?
It's Pikachu!
She found this vintage Pokemon Togepi, which will go for like $35, but man, these yard sale prices were incredible. We've been working on our other channel, the Arvias. You want to check that out and wait till you see the rest of the footage from these yard sales. Be sure to subscribe and we'll see you in the next video.